Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you what can you do with ChatGPT code interpreter. And in this video, I am going to show you two different things. One is data analysis that can be for your academic purpose, job purpose, or research purpose. And another thing is DocX to HTML converter. You just need to upload DocX file and then ChatGPT will generate HTML template for you. So let's start this video. So at first you need a premium subscription for ChatGPT because you cannot use code interpreter or GPT-4 using free subscription. So after that you just go to the ChatGPT interface and then select the code interpreter. It's in the beta version right now and it will be upgraded later. So you can see here a button that is upload file. So let's start from the data analysis. So here I have downloaded a data from the Kaggle, that is actually job salaries based on the job title, expense level and work year, etc. So I have uploaded it and I will enter a prompt here like create a bar chart for this CSV file where job salaries will be in y-axis and job title will be in x-axis. Okay, so you can see here ChatGPT is generating. You can see here the code. So at first it will read your data and then it will fetch the data to analyze the columns, and you can see here it has extracted the columns, and right now it's asking shall we proceed this. Okay, yes, you can. Okay, now it is generating the bar chart. You can see here the code also. It's written in Python and using pandas data frame. And boom, yeah, you can see here the bar chart. And it's also asking, would you like any additional motivation for further analysis? Like I don't know anything what can ChatGPT do. Let's ask ChatGPT to do more analysis. Okay, do more data analyze. Okay, so I have asked ChatGPT to do more data analysis showing different charts. Let's see what can ChatGPT code interpreter do. Yes. So it's generating histograms, and you can see here. So next thing is salary by experience level. So it will generate a chart where you can see salary by experience level. So it's a box plot. It will be a box plot. and you can see here it's salary distribution by experience level, and it will also generate the description, like you can understand what's actually um, going here by reading this description also. Next thing is company size versus average salary, so it will compare the company size with average salary, and you can understand what will be the average salary based on the company size. So first one is large, second one is medium, and third one is small. So small company has a small salary, obviously. And the next thing is the remote ratio versus average salary. So this is quite interesting. It has generated a chart, remote ratio versus salary. So in y-axis you can see the salary, and in the x-axis you can see the remote ratio. It's on the ratio percentage. So from the plot we can observe that there is a wide range of salaries at all levels of remote work ratio. Okay, eh, so in this data it doesn't seem like there is a strong clear correlation between the amount of remote work and salary. Yeah, so yeah, you can see here all of this stuff that ChatGPT code interpreter has done. So it's can say it's literally very helpful uh, to generate the charts and also do data analysis. So it will be helpful for any kind of data analytics. Just need your data and then upload here and do whatever you want. Actually, what do you want? You just need to tell the code interpreter that you want to do. All right, so this is pretty much interesting thing that code interpreter can do, and it's still in the beta version. So I don't know what will happen when it will came up with its full version, and I think there should be more options there. So let's try the next thing, that is docx to html. Okay, so just upload the course outline here. This is a simple course outline where I have made a course for Docker, and this one is uh, the course outline, and I need a HTML, fancy HTML, where I can actually uh, mention all of this course outline, and then I can use this HTML as a course outline page of my website. So let's do this. Like generate a HTML, generate a fancy and colorful HTML template by converting this course outline docx. Also add a navbar and footer. Okay, sounds good. Just want to mention more things. Okay, it's fine. Let's see what it can do. Yes, so it can do the navigation bar, the content, course outline, and the footer at the bottom, like what I mentioned. Okay, so it's generating. So it has extracted all of the modules. Like there is a 10 modules here. So it extracted all the modules and now it's generating the HTML template. So now it's generating the CSS within the style block, and yeah, it's pretty much very helpful. Like if I actually want to create my own HTML template from scratch, then it will definitely be time consuming. Normally we just buy themes or just download any themes and then modify it, but sometimes it's not possible to get your templates that you want. So for this you can actually generate any kinds of conversion here, like you can convert any docx to html using ChatGPT. So I think it has generated the course outline. Now I can also download it. Great. So I want to download it here. Okay, and yeah, you can see here how it's it has generated pretty course outline, but here, yeah, oh, interesting thing, it's actually generated a template where you can go to the modules by clicking on this link, like for module 10. Yeah, you are in the 10. Oh, it's nice, and with a nice footer also. So it's literally 1 or 2 minutes work for ChatGPT code interpreter. But if you want to do this, you will need a lot of time for creating these kinds of templates. So I can say it's a nice standard template for your course outline, and you can modify this. Like you, if you want to generate a button here, you can also generate. Just need to uh, enter some commands in ChatGPT, like you need to tell also add an enroll now button before starting the course outline. And let's see what can it do. Oh, and certainly code interpreter will do this for you. So it's now generating enroll now button, and you can see here it's just replacing the template. And code interpreter has updated the template and I want to download it again. And let's see this. Oh great, you can see here the enroll now button, and it's actually quite interesting because ChatGPT code interpreter know the themes, like the theme is green, so it has matched the color with the theme. Okay, so the button color is also green, and yeah, that's the thing, it can understand the design also. uh, so I can say it's a great job, and um, it's actually very helpful for us, because it's in beta mode. I think when they will came up with the upgraded version, we can convert anything like a design to HTML or image to HTML. That will be great thing for us. So yeah, these are the two things that I wanted to show you in this video, and there are more things that ChatGPT can do, more interesting things that you didn't know. uh, what's the power of ChatGPT. um, so yeah, to know more about what can ChatGPT do, please comment in this video and let me know what you want to see. Yeah, so in next video I will come with another example or another demo about what ChatGPT can do. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thanks for watching my video.